After knowing all the layer options, now we are going to teach you the layer style which is there. For that reason we are going to open a new file. Now we are going to write some text over that file. Press enter. Now that is already make automatically a new layer over the background, and we can move that layer over the white background. Now we can select layer style. First one is blending options. The windows is appeared. Now the first option is drop shadow. Just click over on it. Now the shadow is occurring and we can see it, but you have to select once again over the drop shadow, and we can adjust all the options which is providing that drop shadow. We can increase the size, we can spread it, we can make the distance according to our choice, we can change the angle globally, we can change the opacity, now there is another options called the quality, where we can change our shadows style. Now we are going to off that drop shadow and we are going to take the another new effect which is called the inner shadow. This is also the same. Choke, we can change it. Size also we can change according to our wish. Distance also we can change the angle, we can change the opacity, and we can change the style of the inner shadow. Now we can change the noise, where the dotted spots is showing over the text. Now we are going to off the inner shadow and we are going to activate the outer glow. Outer glow is just glowing the text, but it have to be in a normal mode, then we can see properly what is the glowing effect. We can increase the size and spread it, and we can change the color from the color palettes. Suppose it is blue, we can change it. If it is pink, then press OK. Now we can change the style of the outer glow. Now we are going to off the outer glow and going to activate the inner glow. Inner glow is also as the same. You have to activate the normal mode, then choke size should be increased. The total thing is depends on you, how you are going to make the shape or you are going to design the text. Choose the color, press OK. Now you can also change your choiceable shape. Okay, press OK. Now we are going to off that one and going to activate the bevel and emboss effect. Bevel and emboss effect is nothing but it's like a 3D type effect where we can get so many options. Outer bevel, inner bevel. In the outer bevel options we can increase the depth, size, soften, angle, and same goes for the inner bevel also. We can change the size, angle, gloss counter, same, and same thing goes for the other options also, like emboss. can change the depth. Same thing goes for the pillow emboss. We can change the depth, size, and the stroke emboss also. Now we can use the depth of that one. We can use the down option, and we can use the soften. We can use the gloss counter, but it is not that much appearing on the screen. Now we are going to off that one. Now we are going to activate the counter within that bevel and emboss option. If it is outer bevel, when the counter is on, we can change the different shape. And we can change the range. Now same thing, we can use the texture over the text, whatever text you want. Already some of the text is there. Okay, now we can scale the texture, and we can adjust the depth of that texture. Now there is another option called the setting, where we can change the color that is appearing on the text. We have to choose the normal mode. We can change the color. We can change the angle also. Now there is another options, distance also you can change, size also. Counter is as the different presets shape. Now we are going to the color overlay, where the color is, we can change the color, different color. The color is just going to convert in a different color, like red, green, blue. It's a green color now. We can change the depth or darkness. We can change the opacity of that color. Now there is another options called the gradient overlay. It's the combination of two color. We already have some presets. We can change the presets and we can get the different color combinations. Press OK. We can change the angle, and we can change the scale with the different values. Now there is another options called the pattern overlay, where we already have the different types of pattern. We can choose that one, and we can scale that pattern, and we can change the opacity also. Now the next option is stroke. Stroke is nothing but we can change the different color of that particular text. That boundary, the border of the text is going to get a different color, and we can increase that size, can scale it, and we are going to off that stroke. Press OK. These are the layer style which is providing the Photoshop, which is most good features, and these are the options whatever we just look over right now. We just started with the blending options. We just started from the drop down shadow 2, and we just completed till stroke.